How do you strive for excellence to supersize and grow your business? Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here. And our idiom or expression, our business related idiom or expression, whether it's related to business for you or not, I like to take it, find the meaning, find the origin, and then share how can I use it to build and grow and supersize my business, hoping that that's a little bit inspirational for you in growing and building and supersizing yours. But my question today for you is not whether I believe we should strive for excellence or not when we're growing our business, but how do you go about doing that in your business? I know how I do it in mine, and I think this is an interesting idiom. It goes way back, right? Henry James, the writer, used it. Joyce Meyer is accredited with saying that we strive for excellence, not perfection. There's many people that have used this expression and used this thought, both that we need to strive for becoming a better version of ourselves, doing the best we can, being excellent in all areas and aspects of our life, which is impossible, by the way. But that's because there's a difference between perfection and excellence. I love words and what they mean to me and to other people, because it helps us to communicate and understand one another. And I don't think I've ever been burdened with the desire to be perfect in any area or aspect of my life. I think I learned from a very young age that there is always going to be someone, if not a whole lot of someones, that are better, faster, stronger, prettier, smarter, more skilled in any area or aspect of life than I am going to be. I'm never going to be the pinnacle of anything that I can think of or imagine, primarily because I don't really want to be, right? I don't need to be the perfect version of anything, but it doesn't mean I don't strive for continuous improvement to always be a better version of myself. And that helps me to grow and build and supersize my business, just like it does all of us. One of the best investments we can ever make is always in ourselves, because as much as we hate to admit it sometimes, we are usually the biggest bottleneck in our business and in growing and building and supersizing it. And it's our ability to step back and get out of the way that allows that business to really become and take on a life of its own. So striving for excellence is, I think it's something that we all need to do, or striving for continuous improvement, whatever terms resonate with you. But we need to be finding ways that we do stand out from the crowd. Otherwise, why will people want to do business with us? If we don't give them a great experience, if we don't focus on the people that we're here to serve and giving them an excellent experience, right? Not a perfect experience, because each and every person that we interact with will have a different experience with how they experience our company, our business, us, the people that are involved in our organization, based on their previous experiences. So it won't be perfection, but how can you continually improve and continue to give people an experience where they want to come back to your business, or they want to talk about it to other people? So I actually really like this particular idiom and expression, because it reminds me that I want to be continually improving and I want to always be getting better, but that it's okay to not be perfect. There are things I actually choose to not do or participate in because I don't like the way they make me feel. I don't like what they stand for, or how they show up in the world, or the results that come from certain things. I also know that I don't have to be great at everything. I am never going to be good at housework. I know, I said it out loud, like my kids don't know. But I'm strong in other areas, and I want to use my time and energy here on the planet focusing on my strengths, not on the things that I don't like to do. And I don't like to do them usually because I'm not good at them, and then I'm not good at them because I don't like to do them. It's kind of one of those vicious circle things. Upward spiral, downward spiral. It's one of the things I learned at a Value of the Person training, from Gillette Company back in, I don't know, probably the 90s? No, 90s, 2000s. I don't remember. It was a long time ago. All right. If I can help you anyway, ask. Otherwise, I'll be with you tomorrow with another interesting idiom. What does it mean? Where does it come from? How might you use it to build and grow and supersize your business? Although today I'm asking you, how do you feel about excellence? How do you use striving for excellence to build and grow and supersize your business? Do you use it in your branding? Do you use it to share your customer stories? Do you use it to market your company? How do you use it? How do you do it? Do you use it to continually improve? Share in the comments below, and I'll, of course, see you tomorrow.